Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tip, like literally one step on how to fix FPS drops in Fortnite. And this is a very quick video. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. And I literally just tried recording this video, and as soon as I pressed save recording, it said recording has started. So I was like, oh shit, now I have to record a whole new one. But before we do get in this video, make sure to subscribe, because there's a huge percentage of you guys that aren't subscribed. So make sure to do it. It's free, and you can literally unsub at any time that you want if you don't enjoy my content. And yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time, and I'm not gonna waste my own time because I literally just recorded this. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing, you're gonna go into Google Chrome, and you're gonna search up NVIDIA drivers, and we're gonna go to download drivers right here, and it's the first link. It's like nvidia.com/download whatever, and we're gonna go to drivers, and we're gonna press GeForce drivers, and this black screen should show up as soon as it's loaded up. And you're gonna click, like, you're gonna do your product type, which is, mine is a GeForce, and your product series, mine's a 10 series, and then you have to select your specific one. So mine is a 1050, and we're just gonna press download type, and we're gonna do game ready driver. I'm just gonna press start search, and if it says that at the bottom, you can just press accept right there, and we're gonna scroll down. If it doesn't show up, that's because you have to scroll down to the latest version, or like the most early. Mine's March 10, 2020, and we're just gonna press get download, and it should open a new page. You just press download now. It's 529 megabytes, and we're just gonna press download, and it should start downloading at the bottom of your desktop, and I'll catch you guys when it's downloaded. Alright, so I go to done right here, and I'm just gonna press on it right here, and it should take a couple seconds to load up. And as soon as it does, I should show you guys the next step. So it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You're just gonna click yes, and there's a path. You're just gonna click OK, and this should install. There's a bunch of installations on here. There's like, I think 4, but they're really small. But my internet's being super slow right now. Like, that literally took me like 5 or 10 minutes to download 500 megabytes, and it sucked a lot. This one's literally taking 2 seconds, and I will catch you guys when it's done. Alright, so it just finished, and something else has to load up right now, and as you can see, this is what it should show up as soon as you get the new driver. And this is version 442.9, and last time I tried to install this, it basically, like, when I got to options, the installation failed. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen again, but if it does happen, you probably just restart your computer and it might work. But it's never happened to me before. Like, that's the only time it ever happened to me. So I'm wondering if I try and install it again, it might actually be fine. And it says, do you want to continue installing a older driver version? Just press continue, and you're gonna go through here and just scroll down actually and press agree. I'm just gonna press next, and it's preparing for install, and then it should install again. So it's like 4 installations on this, or 5. Yeah, there's literally 5 installations on here. Alright, so as you can see, I'm literally midway through editing this video right now, and I literally just finished it. It's like at this part right here. I'll just play it, and it's preparing for install. Yeah, just like, it was me talking about like preparing for install. So basically, when that's done, I said that there's like 5 downloads, but basically there's only 2. So I'm just gonna go back into GeForce Experience. So when that finishes, I'm pretty sure you can go back into GeForce Experience and click on drivers. And as you can see right here, it should say available. And if this doesn't show up for you, basically it says available, and then you don't want to press express installation. This is very important because it will install the latest version. You should press this arrow to make sure that you're actually at it. So it basically says currently installed 442.59, whatever the latest one is, or like the oldest one is. And basically, don't press express installation. This one's bad for your computer. Well, it's not really necessarily bad for your computer, it's just like makes you have a lot more FPS drops. So basically, I'm just showing the video here. I'm kind of mad that they cut out, but I pretty much just wrapped it up for you guys. So anyway, I'm just gonna continue out of this video, and I'll probably get out tonight at 6:14. So I'll probably get out of tonight. And thank you guys so much for the support on the last video. It's at like 1.3k views in a week, which a few videos of mine like haven't blown up lately. So, or not blown up, but like gotten over 1,000 views. So thanks for that support, and yeah, we will see you in the next one. Peace out.